Hi, this is Ann Myrick, and I'm going to tell you how to organize spring cleaning. You want to go into each room, and you want a piece of paper and a pencil, and you want to think about, we're organizing it today, we're not doing it, so we're going to organize what all needs to be done. So in each room, you want to just go into the room and look to see what each room needs. Do you need to clean the fans? Do you need to clean the curtains, take them to the laundromat, take them to the cleaners? Do you need to do the wood sideboards? What all needs to get done? And spring cleaning is always thought to be more the heavy-duty cleaning. And so what types of things do you need to do that wouldn't normally get done? So I'll go into this master bedroom and look to see what all needs to be kind of heavy-duty work needs to be done, and I write it down. And then I will take each bedroom and then each room and just make a list, and then whether you choose to do it on your own, you choose to hire somebody to do it, or you choose to make it a family event, which I always like to do, and let each child and each person in the family take responsibilities. Of course, the younger the child, maybe the smaller the responsibility, but let them help in this. And it teaches them responsibility. It teaches that somebody has to do cleaning, and they learn that, you know, if they mess up, then they have to clean it, and if it gets dirty, it has to be cleaned. So it's good lessons for all. This is Ann Myrick, and that's how to do spring cleaning.